And welcome back to the channel. Today we discuss about Bitcoin and crypto. What an incredible pump. I'm going to discuss with you today Bitcoin short term, long term. Are we ready now for a new all-time high? Are we ready for all season? I'm going to show you here with all the data. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the like button. We post one video every single day. Guys, incredible day yesterday. CPI came lower than expectation, completely destroying all this theory that inflation was ramping up, now opening the doors to a future rate cut from the Federal Reserve. And I want to show you this not out of, I would say, to be cocky or anything, but out of pride. I want to show you what we did with our VIP group. Not to mention, I was saying yesterday we shouldn't gone up to this level over here at 99,500 before finding a resistance. But look what happened with our VIP group, guys. I'm going to go open over here in front of you and show you exactly what we did. I'm going to post it over here so you can see a little bit better. So pretty much we went here, and yesterday you can see my call about Tau over here. Tau, long, free entries, leverage 5, everything written over here. On top, of course, all the calls we gave the days before when we longed the absolute bottom with Bitcoin. You can also see Kat and Jeremy calls, my other pro members, talking about Woo, about WIF. So basically, we went along the Tau and the results. I want to show you the trading results from our members, guys. This is like complete. This is insane. So we got here Black Beer 71% shorting this morning already. 71%. Liam as well coming here shorting Bitcoin already with Bitcoin. Shaz 34%. 294% with Tau. 80%. Look at that. This is, I don't know. This is crazy. This is completely insane. 1,198%. Basically, we cooked the bottom again. Look at Tao's 175%. I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know what to say about the quality of the VIP group. We are killing this market. Shorting, longing, everything we are just taking crazy high success rate. I don't know what to say anymore, apart from if you join this group over here, you're getting trading calls, super high accuracy, altcoin analysis every single day, Bitcoin analysis, super in details, crypto chat with all of my amazing pro members, guys. Everybody's doing so well. Altcoins, long term, spot trading as well. If you want to have a look at the alt season, all the targets over here, we have the education session as well. You can learn from all our pro members, guys. If you want to join, there is a link in the description over here with a little tutorial as well, and our trading results. 2025 has started like a bomb. So proud of it. If you want to join, guys, link in the description. But now let's go back into BTC and let's talk about what's happening right now. As we were discussing before, this level over here, 99,500, ish, we should have seen some sort of a resistance over here. And you can see right now that we are pretty much in this resistance. Now, what you have to be careful is going to be today, we're going to have the some economical data. It's going to be about the initial jobless claims. So we're going to have also import price index, US retail sales. Basically, all of this is going to be very important to understand if we are into an inflationary environment or are we going to see the economy weakening, because of course if we're going to see a very high initial jobless claims, that is going to be very good for crypto, as well as the US retail sales is going to be lower than expectation. Is going to be good because the economy is pretty much weakening. The Fed is going to cut interest rates and is going to push the price of Bitcoin, of course, to higher levels. Right now, because we are a little bit, I would say, extended, right? And also you can see that the RSI is pretty much touching this area over here. We still haven't broken this level over here. What I might potentially believe could be a little bit of a pullback, maybe down to this area over here to form like a series of have a higher high, a higher low, and then from here we should be able to then break this channel over here. But it's going to be very dependent as well on what's going to be happening with this scenario over here. Not to mention, we're already thinking about shorting around this area. Probably we're going to cover our shorts over here. But what I always say, we don't really care if the market is going to go from here and do this or is going to do this, because basically in the VIP group, that's what we do. We find the extremes, we find the exact point to go and take the opportunity. and of course we take advantage of the opportunity and we make money. But looking at it right now from here, Bitcoin looks in my opinion very, very good. It should be able to go down to this area and then continue all the way up. And a target for the next I would say the next target for a new all-time high is probably going to be in between probably $110,000 $115,000. Why? I think this event is going to be very important for next week about Donald Trump. The guy looks very he looks invested. Really, he really wants to change everything to establish a Bitcoin strategic reserve. It might be lots of hype, lots of I would say FOMO if this happens. And if this happens, of course, we should be seeing like a continuation to the upside. And not to mention that in general, I was actually looking at this. I want to show you a little bit better what's going on when we were talking about the fractals. You can see that what happened in 2024, 2023-24, you can see that BTC had that January correction from here. So we went like this, and then we went up to this way. So if I'm going to go on a logarithmic chart, this chart here, this like correction looks very, very similar to what's happening right now, and we should be seeing the Bitcoin price to go lower. Some people are asking me, do you think you're going to see another push to the downside at 85K? Maybe something happens, in the economy, we could be seeing, but the macro structure still hasn't been unchanged. You can see there is a potential engulfing candle over here covering this candle, potentially bringing us to a new all-time high, and therefore I am very, very bullish. The only thing I would say right now, because we are in this area over here, if you're going to be able to break this line and just go up like that, I mean, we're going to continue to go higher. But right now here, I would be careful in longing, only because you could be seeing maybe like a short-term correction down to maybe 97, 96, and then have another push to the upside. And of course, in the VIP group, we know exactly when to go and also which altcoins to buy as well. Now, the reason as well why Bitcoin was going higher as well, as I told you so many times, is because of the DXY and the 10 years treasury yield. And you can see from here, for example, the DXY went up to 110 and now is correcting down. And because it's correcting down this way, it loses value against Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pumping, and that's the way I explained to you last time. As well as the 10 years treasury yield, you can see over here, we went up like crazy, and now it just went down again. It broke the structure, and this is going to be a proper break of structure. We should be actually be going down again. If this happens, guys, of course, super bullish for crypto and stocks as well. And guys, by the way, if you're like a trader, short term, long term, and you want really to make good money and find a very reputable exchange, non KYC, that has very low fees, I would recommend you to join with my description. There is a link in the description. BLOFIN, great non KYC exchange. I just partnered with them. So for the first 100 people, you're gonna get bonuses on futures. So hurry up while you can. I think we have only like 10 spots left to join BLOFIN. Great exchange. You will not regret it. And there is a link in the description. But by the way, altcoins, we can see over here, total free, guys. I don't know what to say. You probably saw my previous videos as well. I was actually showing like this altcoin in this situation from here. So we had a potential, I would say, in bull flex scenario. We went and pretty much retested this area over here, and I just put everything, everything is documented, of course, which we could have been seeing something like that, a retest and then continuation to the upside. I mean, this, in my opinion, looks very, very good. And if this is going to play out, we should be seeing the crypto total market free probably going up from here up to this area over here, $1.5 trillion of capital entering altcoins. And if that happens, of course, so many altcoins are going to go way, way higher. And of course, if you want to know, like, specific altcoins, guys, which one are going to go higher, which is going to be the price target, in the VIP, we have a spot trading section with, we wrote everything over here. Like you can see, for example, I'm going to go on the pin message. We have a Google Docs with all the binaries from here, everything written here. So best place to be. And basically with total free, let me see where I think I closed the page, unfortunately. Let me go back into that. But as I said before, total free is going to be really important to determine whether we're going to go and have like a potential short-term top within the altcoin market and as well as Bitcoin. So what I'm saying is that once we're going to do this, once it's going to go up and probably reach a $1.5 trillion ish, I can tell you already, I will be considering selling my altcoins. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a humble trader who is killing the market with this group. And once we're going to go up to here, I'm probably going to be out of the game. So best of luck to all of you who think we're going to go to 4 trillions, 5 trillions, which could be happening, but I don't really care, to be honest. As long as you go here, it goes here, we make good money, doesn't matter. Last thing I want to show you as well, very important, Bitcoin dominance, BTC.D as well, to see, as our season has it started. Well, 4-hour chart is showing you this rejection over here. We broke again the structure. Looks like it wants to go lower and continue down. If this happens, of course, it's going to be super good for altcoins, because I'm going to show you what I think is happening from here. Theoretically, we have broken the structure over here. Okay. So, sorry, it's going to put this on a bit better like that. Yeah. So we broke the structure from here. Okay. Like I was saying before. Now we're trying to retest, to bring it up again. It failed. So if it's going to continue to go down, then of course we should be seeing something like that. In general, we could still be seeing Bitcoin going up to maybe 150, 120. But what are you going to see? You're going to see Bitcoin probably from now fluctuating in between 120 and 115, where altcoins, if you're going to go down to this way, they're going to be totally going crazy ballistic. And again, once we're going to go down to this area, I'm going to show you exactly my point of my selling point. It's going to be one point probably around this area here, or even down to here. All will depend on the total free, where we are at the total free, where we are with the markets. If I see any signs of that's why, guys, important to be in the VIP, because we talk about this, all of that. Once you're going to go down to this area, I will probably consider selling my altcoins, only because it could be like an area with like I would say, higher risk of crashing compared to actually more upside. So that's what I can see right now. But anyway, guys, the total summary of this, that things are looking good. Let's see what we get now here. As I said before, we have touched an important level over here of resistance. We need to see how BTC is gonna behave over here. Looks like he wants to break, but again, I like to be more cautious, of course, than anything else. But otherwise, I wish you a fantastic day. I really hope you made good money as well following my videos, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow for another video. Take care and see you soon.